pupils, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the present continuous. If you want to know all the usage of present continuous, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So let's begin. We have here the introduction, right? The present progressive or present continuous is used to describe actions happening right now. Temporary actions or ongoing situations, it is formed using the auxiliary verb to be in the present tense. For example, is, are. This is the verb to be, right? Followed by the main verb in its ing form. So let's see how it works. First, guys, let's see how to transform verbs in ing form. This is really important or you'll be lost, so pay attention in this part. Okay, we have the base form of the verb or the infinitive verb, right? To work. But we will took the root of the verb. In this case, we will drop the two and we have the root work, right? Work, you see? And we will just add ing, working. And in the case of irregular verbs like to have, we will drop the to and we will drop the e, and the root is have, right? And we will add ing and we have having as a result. So pay attention. You will just add ing form at the end of the verb, but pay attention to the irregulars. So now here we have a structure, right, for the simple present. In the case of affirmative sentences, we have the subject in blue, the verb be, like in gray, then we have the verb plus ing in red plus the complement. Let's see some examples. I am eating pizza. She's listening to music. They are playing soccer in the park. We have here more examples. Subject plus the be verb plus the verb in ing form plus the complement. We are having dinner together. The cat is sleeping on the couch. I'm traveling through Europe. He is reading a book. The dog is barking at the neighbors. These actions are, you can say, happening right now. That's the difference. Something that is happening immediately right now, right? For example, sometimes when I'm recording my videos, my dog barks at the neighbors, and it's completely hard for me because I have to record that part again. But what can we do if we love pets, right? So pay attention here. We will just add ing to the verbs. Maybe that's the difference from the others that we saw, right? So be careful and pay attention with the ing. Then we have here the negative structure. We have the subject plus the verb be plus not plus the verb in ing form plus the complement. For example, she's not studying right now. He's not driving to work today. They are not studying for the exam. The baby's not crying anymore. This is like, say, things that aren't happening at the moment, right? So now we have here the structure for interrogative or to make questions, right? We will use from the beginning always the verb be plus the subject plus the verb in ing form plus the complement plus the question mark, of course. Are they playing soccer? Yes, they are playing soccer. Are you reading a book? Yes, they are. Yes, I'm reading a book. Are they walking to school? Yes. Or simply you can say no. They aren't walking to school. It is raining outside. Yes, it is raining outside. And so on, right? Then, do you remember the questions with WH questions? And if you don't, I recommend you to watch my video about it. You will find it in this YouTube channel. The question words, right? We will add WH question plus the verb be plus the subject plus the verb in ing form plus the complement. What are you doing? This is also like a common expression when someone asks you through the chat or your friends, right? What are you doing? I'm studying for my exam. For example, if you ask me, Tanya, what are you doing? I am recording a video for my YouTube channel right now, right? Why are we waiting? We are waiting because the bus is late. Then we have here more examples by category. Number one, actions happening right now. He's talking on the phone. We are watching a movie. The children are playing outside. Then we have in the number two, temporary or ongoing actions. I am taking a French course this month. She's working as a teacher for the summer. Then we have trends or changes. The world is becoming more connected. Prices are rising every day, right? Then we have future arrangements with a time reference. We are meeting at 7 p.m. tonight. They are leaving for vacation tomorrow. You see, there are some differences of the usage of simple, of present progressive. Then we have here examples by category. Once again, we will add the subject plus the be verb plus the verb in ing form plus the complement. People are using more renewable energy nowadays, right? The company is growing rapidly. We are visiting our grandparents next weekend. She's starting her new job tomorrow. I know sometimes could be a little difficult, but don't worry, guys. I'm here to guide you through this process or through this journey of learning English, right? And now we will make an activity time. You be like this character, right? Wondering which the answer. What's the answer? Don't worry, guys. All of us were like you. I was when I was trying to learn this beautiful language or any language. He paint a picture right now. We not swim in the pool at the moment. They travel to Japan this week. The dog barked loudly outside. Hmm. Which could be the answer, guys? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments. I'll be reading those comments to see if you understood how the present continuous works. I am like the clock. Tick tock, tick tock. What are the answers, guys? What are the answers? What are the answers? It's easy. Remember that ing form. What could be the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? I'm waiting, guys. I want to read or see those comments that you will write with the possible answers. And if you thought that you will answer by your own, no, you was wrong, guys. I'm here right next to you and we will do it together. But you can compare if you understood, right? And maybe you have one or more than one correct, and that is progress. So let's see. He is painting a picture right now. We are not swimming in the pool at the moment. Are you watching the news? They are traveling to Japan next week. The dog is barking loudly outside. You see, if you pay attention to the details, we just added the verb be and then we transform the verb with ing. We just added ing. But don't worry, guys, by the time you will get used to it and you'll be able to express your routine or your habits or what are you doing right now when someone asks you, what are you doing right now? And you will say, I'm watching the YouTube channel Tanya's Polyglot Cut. It's really worth it every video. I learn new things daily. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the result, right? So well done. Congratulations, guys. Every day that when you watch a video, it's like a new step that you are giving to improve or learn more English. So thanks to watch my videos. Don't forget to give a like and don't forget to subscribe and send this video to your family or to your friends or classmates if you want that they understand how the present continuous works. So, thank you.